Hello everyone. Welcome back to PrimeMotorMax, your go-to channel for the latest bikes, cars, and commercial vehicle reviews. On this channel, we bring you complete details, real performance, and honest opinions to help you choose the best vehicle for your needs. Today's video is very special because we are reviewing a vehicle that can truly increase your daily earnings. Yes, we are talking about the all-new 2026 Tata Super Mileage Rikshaw, a three-wheeler designed for maximum mileage, low maintenance, and high profit. With fuel prices rising every day, every driver wants a vehicle that saves money and delivers better efficiency. Tata has launched this Super Mileage Rikshaw, keeping exactly that in mind. According to the company, this rickshaw offers an impressive 35 to 40 kilometers per liter mileage, which makes it one of the most fuel-efficient vehicles in its segment. Talking about the engine, it comes with a powerful and fuel-efficient setup that delivers smooth performance in city traffic. The pickup is good, acceleration is decent, and it performs comfortably even with passengers or load. This makes it perfect for daily commercial use. Now let's talk about the design and comfort. The body is strong and durable, built for rough roads and heavy-duty usage. You get a wide windshield, comfortable seating, and enough leg space for the driver. The suspension system is also well-tuned, which reduces shocks and makes long working hours less tiring. In terms of load capacity, this rickshaw can easily carry 3 to 4 passengers or goods without any problem. That means more trips and more daily income. Another big advantage is Tata's wide service network, so spare parts and maintenance are easily available and affordable. So, if you're looking for a budget-friendly, high-mileage, and reliable commercial vehicle, the Tata Super Mileage Rikshaw can definitely be a smart investment for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to PrimeMotorMax.